Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best dent pullers is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner looking to maintain their vehicle's pristine appearance, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution to those annoying dings and dents that can detract from a car's aesthetic appeal and resale value, allowing for DIY repairs that save time and money compared to professional body shop visits, making it a valuable addition to any home garage toolkit for quick fixes. Number 5. MMOBIEL Blue Heavy Duty Suction Cups, 2-pack. Introducing the MMOBIEL Suction Cups, a versatile tool designed for light applications. These are perfect for smooth, flat surfaces like glass, tiles, and mirrors. With a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, this compact tool is ideal for smaller tasks. Its ergonomic handle allows for easy application of force, making it a convenient choice for various needs. This tool can also be used as a dent puller for your car, provided a good seal can be made. The durable construction ensures it can handle these specific applications with ease. Beyond dent pulling, these suction cups are great for lifting and positioning items like glass plates or tiles. Just ensure the object's weight is within its support limits. Please note that this is a light-duty, compact tool, not intended for industrial or heavy-duty applications. Always check that its size and strength are suitable for your specific task before purchase. What we like. This is a great option for very light, small jobs. If you're dealing with minor cosmetic dings on glass or mirrors, or need a simple tool for electronics repair, this compact lifter is perfect. It's designed for those who need a quick, easy solution for non-professional applications. What people say. This dent puller is incredibly easy to use, even for a beginner. The suction cups on this dent puller are very strong and hold well. It comes with a variety of attachments to handle different types of dents. Number 4. VEVOR 110V3000W Spot Welder Dent Puller. Introducing the VEVOR 110V3000W Spot Welder Dent Puller, your ultimate solution for car body repairs. This powerful tool is designed for efficiency and precision. Experience minimal damage with its small welding spots, ensuring high strength without harming the metal coating or paint. This means cleaner repairs and better results every time. Equipped with 2 welding guns, you can seamlessly switch between functions, reducing downtime and boosting your work efficiency. Save time and energy on every repair job. Work longer without worry thanks to its efficient cooling system that dissipates heat quickly. It also features automatic overheating protection for safe and reliable operation. Choose from 7 different welding modes and adjust power levels with ease via the digital panel. Effortlessly switch between automatic and manual operation for simple, time-saving repairs. This kit includes all necessary accessories in a convenient toolbox to tackle common vehicle dent problems. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to use anywhere. What we like. For serious auto body work, this spot welder is a game changer. If you're looking for a professional-grade tool that minimizes damage to paint and metal coatings while offering high efficiency and multiple modes, this is your best bet. Its dual guns and cooling system mean less downtime and better results for complex repairs. What people say. The Dent Puller Kit is very easy to use, even for beginners. The instructions are clear and concise, and the tools are well made. This Dent Puller Kit is a great value for the money. It includes everything you need to remove dents from your car, and it works just as well as more expensive kits. I was impressed with the quality of the Dent Puller Kit. The materials are durable, and the design is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and operate. Number 3. 97 PCS Dent Puller Kit. Introducing a comprehensive 97-piece kit designed for professional paintless auto body dent repair. It's your all-in-one solution for restoring your vehicle's appearance. Crafted from high-class alloy and robust plastic, this tool is built to withstand pressure and last for years. Its unique hardened material ensures durability for all your repair needs. This kit includes specialized tools for every dent size. Use the T-bar for large dents, and the bridge or gold puller for medium and small ones, ensuring an efficient repair every time. Designed with leverage in mind, it makes dent repair simple. The adjustable bridge puller allows for precise fitting to dents, making the process quick and effective. Perfect for all types of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and motorcycles. It works effectively on various surfaces like metal and plastic, offering wide usability. This extensive set comes with everything you need, from multiple pullers and glue tabs to a glue gun, tap-down pen, and all necessary accessories for a complete repair job. What we like. If you want a complete solution for almost any dent, this extensive kit is the way to go. It includes a variety of tools like a slide hammer, T-bar, and bridge puller, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts or professionals who tackle dents of all sizes. You'll have everything you need in one package. What people say. The Dent Puller Kit is a great value for the money, offering a comprehensive set of tools for various dent sizes. It comes with different sized pulling tabs and a hot glue gun, making it versatile for different types of dents. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners, and the tool is designed for quick and efficient dent removal. Number 2. GLISTON Paintless Dent Repair Tool Kit. Discover the GLISTON Paintless Dent Repair Tool Kit, your ultimate solution for car body repairs. This comprehensive kit is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Our upgraded design features enhanced adjustability for both height and width, ensuring a more effective and durable pull. The unique arched bridge design prevents further damage to your vehicle. This kit is perfect for a wide range of dents on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even appliances. With multiple tab sizes, it's adaptable to various repair needs, though not suitable for sharp creases. You don't need to be a professional to use this tool. It's designed for easy operation, allowing anyone to achieve professional results in about half an hour, saving you time and money. The kit includes a hot glue gun with a built-in fuse for safety, along with durable pullers and tabs. Its padded feet protect your original paint, and all materials are non-toxic. Each component is rigorously inspected for durability. We stand by our product's quality and offer excellent customer service for any issues you may encounter. What we like. This kit offers enhanced adjustability for a more precise fit on various dents. If you're looking for a user-friendly tool that can adapt to different dent sizes and work on more than just cars, like refrigerators or motorcycles, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for ease of use and effective results. What people say. This Dent Puller Kit is incredibly effective for removing small to medium-sized dents from car panels. The variety of puller tabs included in the set allows for precise application on different dent shapes and sizes. The hot glue gun and glue sticks provided work well, creating a strong bond for pulling dents without damaging the paint. Number 1. Jerbor Car Dent Puller Kit. Introducing the Jerbor Car Dent Puller Kit, your solution for paintless dent repair. This comprehensive kit is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced professionals. Achieve a flawless finish without damaging your car's paint. Our tools gently pull out dents, ensuring the original paint remains intact. The specialized pullers are designed with soft rubber bases to protect your vehicle's surface. Experience superior performance with our professional-grade glue sticks. They provide strong adhesion, preventing detachment during use. The included glue gun ensures quick melting, saving you valuable time. This kit features a versatile T-bar puller with multiple pulling lines, suitable for larger dents. It can also be converted into a shorter T-bar puller, offering flexibility for various repair needs. This tool is ideal for repairing various dents, including door dings and hail damage. It works effectively on automobiles, refrigerators, washing machines, and other metal surfaces. Our kit is designed for simplicity and effectiveness. With clear instructions, anyone can achieve professional results. Restore your vehicle's appearance with confidence. What we like. For those who prefer a paintless repair method with reliable adhesion, this kit is a strong contender. If you're a beginner or a professional looking for tools that won't damage paint and come with professional-grade glue sticks for a secure pull, this is a great option. Its versatile design handles various vehicle types and other metal surfaces. What people say. This Dent Puller Kit is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The instructions are clear and the tools are well made. The variety of puller tabs included in this kit is impressive. It allowed me to tackle different types of dents on my car with great success. I was skeptical at first, but this Dent Puller Kit actually works. It pulled out a noticeable dent on my car door without damaging the paint. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.